Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Ross with Stammer AI, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom app for Discord that is connected to an AI agent. This is one of the great ways to expand your offering to your clients when creating an AI agent, so that way your clients can get the benefits of having AI behind a new channel, and your white label agency gets the value add of now being able to offer custom apps for Discord. And this is a little bit different than what you might build out in something like Zapier, where you have an incoming message from Discord, and then you're going to send that message to the AI agent in order for it to generate a response. And then we're sending the response back into the Discord channel. Now, this works some of the time, but from my experience can fail quite often, especially when Discord and Zapier have issues with the connection, which seems like it always breaks. And we have limited ability for customization of the AI bot that shows up in Discord. So what we're actually going to be doing is creating an actual application for Discord that essentially anybody could add to their server. But the cool thing is this is going to be fully white labeled to you and your agency. So you could create AI agents for a specific use case and then sell them in mass to anybody who wants them. So there's a few different things that we're going to need to get this set up. We're obviously going to need to be logged into our white label version of Stammer AI. We're going to need to have Replit open, and we're going to need the developer portal for Discord. All of the links, tutorials, step-by-step instructions are going to be linked down below. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so I know that this is the type of videos to make in the future. And not to worry, we're not going to have to code anything because all of the code that we need is going to be right here that we can simply copy and paste into Replit in order for this entire workflow to work. So to get started, we're going to need 4 different things: the Discord bot token, the API key from Stammer, the chatbot UUID from Stammer, and then optionally the white label URL from Stammer. So step 1, we're going to create a Discord account and server. So if you don't already have one of those, go ahead and run through that process, and that's pretty simple. I created a channel called AI Chatbot Test under my SiteRight Discord server, and that's going to be the one that we install this AI agent into. Next, we're going to open up the Discord developers link, in which we need to create a new application. So new application, so our chatbot, create. And we can update the information like its logo. Just add a placeholder here, click save. So after we save that, we're gonna go back and we're gonna create a new REPL in Replit. This one's gonna be a Python. And then we're gonna name it something unique and create. Now we're going to copy and paste the code here. So copy, go into Replit, and we're just going to let it load for a sec. Go, and we're gonna paste that information in. And now we can see that there's a couple things here that we need to replace with our information. So your Discord bot token right there. So now we need to go back into the developer portal here, and we're going to go to bot, and we're going to select reset token, and got to enter in your password. And then we're going to copy this string right here, this token here, copy. And then we're going to go back into Replit, and we're going to paste it in right here. Get rid of this section right here. All right, so that's going to be the first one that we need to paste in. Now we need to paste in the Stammer key and the chatbot UUID. So now we're going to go into Stammer, and we're going to get our chatbot UUID by going into any AI agent and then clicking the UUID, and then copy right here, go back in here and paste the UUID in like so. And then now we need to get the API key. So we're going to go to white label API, and the API key is right here. So either click regenerate, or you can click copy to clipboard. And now we're going to paste that in that. And now this should be good to go. The only other optional one that we can update or change is the URL right here. And that URL is going to be the one that you find when you go to your white label version of the app and go into the white label API, and you'll see that there's this endpoint right here. And so you can copy this one and you can paste it in right here like that. So now that we've pasted in the 4 different items for our tokens and UUIDs, we're now going to add the AI agent to the Discord server in the right channel. And so the way that we're going to do that is we're going to go to the OAuth 2 section, and we need to generate a URL. So we're going to click bot, and we're going to click the permissions for send messages, read message history, and embed links. That's going to generate a URL, which we can copy, and then we're going to open up into a new tab. And this is going to prompt us to select the different server that we want to add it to. And then we're going to click continue and click authorize. And once you've clicked authorize, we'll get a success message that the chatbot has been authorized and added to the Discord server. Now inside the Discord server, it might not automatically add it to the right channel. So we want to make sure that we do that. So we're going to edit and go to permissions for the channel. And we need to make sure that the bot is added to this channel. So we're going to search for SR chatbot, and there it is. Done. Now we can see that that bot is there. So now that the bot is added to this server and this channel, we can go back into Replit and we should be able to click run, and SR chatbot has connected to Discord, and we can see the chatbot is now live. So now we can message it at SR chatbot. And there we go. Now we have an answer using our AI agent inside of Discord when it is tagged and asked a question. And all this information could be seen inside the conversations tab. So if I go into the bot here and I go into conversations, and we should see how much the Stammer cost at 432. It's 432 right now. So this is the one that AI agent is seeing. So now you have a custom app running on a Discord server that is using the AI agent to generate responses. So this way users can interact with your AI agents in Discord. And like I mentioned below, the code to copy all of this information will be down in the link below. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.